Hi, and if you're looking for something exotic, tasty, healthy, different, well, that's one suggestion that you can certainly take seriously. I've found this recipe in Jamaica and adapted it very slightly to make it healthier, and I'm going to show it to you today. What we are going to do is green plantain hash browns. What we are going to use for that are green plantains, onion, tomatoes, bell pepper and lime, as well as few spices, that's it. And we will cook them in the air fryer. And now I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first we will add the onion to the pan, like this. And I'm going to start cooking it. I will also now prepare the bell pepper. Now I'm going to prepare the plantain. It's not like banana, easy to remove the skin, so that's why I'm using the knife to do that. Otherwise it's very difficult. And now I'm going to grate all of this on this option. Okay, and now it's time to add this to the other ingredients in the pan. Some black pepper, I don't want it too spicy, it shouldn't be. Well, the most prominent spice in this hash brown is the cinnamon. So you need about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. About that. And of course some salt. Not too much. And now I add all the tomato and the plantain. But first give it a good stir. So here we are using the plantain as our flour, or in the hash browns that's the potato. Now I've been cooking this for 10 minutes and it is ready, so I've just turned the heat off. I'll let it cool down and then I'll move to the next step. Now the mixture has cooled down and I am just going to finally season it and start preparing the hash browns. I will use half a lime to add some acidity to it. because it is rather sweet from the cinnamon, from the plantain, and you like to balance this a bit. Okay, I have the air fryer with me, and this is something to prepare burgers with, which I'm now going to use for the hash browns. But of course, if you don't have it, you can just use whatever press you find. So for this, I'm going to use the 1/3 pound burger. So just add some of the mixture. Okay. So we'll do better. And now I just press it using the 1/3 option. Okay. So I take it out. Right, so next time I will try not to overfill it. And now I just use the knife to cut it in half, and I put each half in the air fryer. Yeah, like this, you can see. And then the other half. And I will repeat the same. Okay, now this will go into the air fryer at 190 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Okay, so it's been almost 10 minutes. Let's see how they are doing. Look really good. Now I'm just going to turn them as to have some more even browning. Okay, now cooking. So first hash browns just finished cooking. I'll leave them here, and I will put the new ones in. Okay. And they go also for 12 minutes. Now our last hash browns are ready, but before I serve them, because the rest have been outside for a while, I will just put everything together again in the air fryer for 4 more minutes, and I also want to get them extra crispy. Don't really bother if they're really a little bit burnt from the outside. That's perfectly okay and does not affect the taste. So going back into the air fryer for 4 minutes at 190 degrees. And these are the hash browns completely ready. Now I'm serving them in this bowl.